There's nothing better than getting in your car, tunes on, windows down, large vodka tonic, and listening to Smooth Radio's endless back catalogue of absolute bangers. But for months now I've been driving around with only one working speaker on my car, so I thought to fully appreciate Smooth Radio's Spandau Ballet, I'd better sort that out and fit some new speakers to my Citroen Saxo. Today we're upgrading the Saxo's knackered factory speakers with these jazzy JVC units. If you're thinking of doing this yourself on your Saxo, then the size you need is about 13 centimetres. These specific speakers set me back about £60. Now I'm throwing the instructions away, not because I'm an alpha male, but because it simply has health and safety information that says consult a professional technician for installing and connecting these speakers in 15 different languages. Now, rank amateurs and French electrics don't mix, which is why I've come back inside to have a quick gander online at how to go about fitting these speakers. I'm on the website Saxperience, which is basically the OG Saxo owners Facebook page. Lots of great information on there, including how to fit speakers. Written by people who are probably in their 40s now with kids and a Qashqai, for whom Saxo ownership is just a distant memory. There's even talk on here that you don't even have to take the door card off to fit the speaker, and someone has even said you can't really cock it up, so just go at it. How hard can it be? Turns out it's very hard when the man from the Saxperience forum has given you false information about being able to get the speaker grill off with your key. Why do people make up these lies? Chisel bound, I was soon able to get a proper look at my ancient speakers. I mean, I don't know if it looked like that from new. That looks like it's seen better days. They also look like they'd been removed and put back in at some point, adding further ambiguity to what exactly the previous owners have been up to with this car.
Still, could be worse.
Right, so here we are. It turns out we've got a huge bloody leak. I don't mean the one that you can eat. I suppose the one that you can drink. The old speaker is wet. There's a big puddle in the door card. How water just gets everywhere. While the offside door card dried out, I turned my attention to changing the passenger speaker, proceeding to unscrew the screws with the chisel before realising they were normal cross-headed screws for which I and everybody else has the right screwdriver for. This, I admit, is the type of mistake that someone like Joey Essex or Danny Dyer's daughter would make, so for that, boys, I apologise.
I can't believe my car is smarter than me.
It actually turns out that the speakers I've received come with an adapter making them compatible with existing wiring for the old speakers. So if you came for a soldering lesson, then I'm sorry, but I think by now you would have gathered that I can't even use a screwdriver, let alone a soldering iron. Matching up the plus and minus wires with the adapter, plugging the adapter into the old speakers and fitting the new units takes less than 5 minutes. Plus, if you didn't come for an amateur tutorial, you're probably getting a bit bored. So, let's skip to the verdict.
This is Smooth Radio.
For God's sake! How hard can it be? Go!